Well, good day everyone. It's Grizz and Taffy. Taffy has her own camera. Woohoo! So it's Grizz and Taffy. We're out on the road, and at long last, I've managed to sort Taffy out with a camera. I say sort out. I've just taken the one off the front here. So the front view now, if you look at this, probably the quality isn't as good. Maybe the colours aren't as bright, and the density of the footage isn't as clear. But yeah, so she's got the good GoPro, and I've got my old GoPro Hero 3 on the front, and I'm using my Sony FDX camera on my helmet. So yeah, Taffy has a camera and a microphone. I've told her do whatever she wants to do. She doesn't have to talk if she doesn't feel she wants to. I don't want her to disrupt her concentration for the sake of learning how to vlog. So just a ride, getting used to with the camera on her helmet, and hopefully we can bring you a bit more entertaining footage. Grizz is such a rebel there. But anyway, I wanted to bring you up to date as well. But there's been loads going on, absolutely loads going on, health-wise, flipping heck. Where do I start? I went off to rheumatology in the week, and they basically said that they don't think I've got arthritis because I've got nothing indicating that on my bloods. All of my inflammatory markers are kind of normal. But when I was sick originally, I mean, I've had quite a few different things. But when I was sick originally with ME and chronic fatigue syndrome, they also diagnosed me, amongst many other things, with a condition called erythema nodosum. Now that basically is a condition in which your brain, my brain doesn't work properly. Do I lose Taffy? She's coming. Well done, Taffy. Now what it means is that basically when someone touches you on the hand, the signal goes from the nerves up into the brain and tells your brain you've just been touched on the hand. Now with people with fibromyalgia, the signal gets kind of messed up on the way to the brain, and it tells them maybe like you've just been hit on the back of your hand or something. So I end up basically in a lot of pain in lots of different places on my body, and it feels like I've got arthritis, but basically there's nothing wrong. Although my hands and feet and joints are all swollen and painful, but there's not actually any kind of arthritis as such. So it's good news, but it's very frustrating. I didn't really want to be told that basically, Grizz, you're having a fibromyalgia flare-up. I'll tell you what, I'm having a bit of a job remembering all these bloody things. It's doing my head in a bit, to be honest. The doctor also said that I'm going to have some more blood tests because I've got something wrong with my bloods, and it's all to do with my DNA. It was called something like, I can't remember, it was something like double-stranded DNA. I can't remember, but anyway, it's a weird one, and it might mean that I have a condition called lupus. It might mean I have a few other conditions, but basically what it means is that I'm going to have a blood test. Here starts the rain. I'm going to have another blood test and see if this thing shows up again, and if it does, they're going to have to investigate further and find out what the cause of that is. It might be nothing. Also, I had all my results back from the camera down my throat, which was great. I do not have an allergic esophagus, so that is great. I don't know about this whole infection that I'm meant to have possibly had. Nothing in the letter about that on my results, so I need to inquire about that further. The downside was, I've got the hiatus hernia, sliding hiatus hernia, bloody hell. And the downside was that they didn't take any samples to confirm I had this celiac disease. So yeah, that's really frustrating and upsetting, because now I have to go back and have the camera back down my throat again so they can take the samples again. The reason they didn't do it is because although my doctor supposedly had asked them to test me for celiac and told them that I had proven positive for celiac on my blood test, they didn't get that information and they didn't know to test me for it. So yeah, that's annoying, but it is what it is. The downside also is that I have to continue eating gluten, which is really messing me up, to be honest, I think. And I have to stay on it until I get my next camera work, which is towards the end of October. So that's a pain. But there you go, that is you guys up to date on my health. I'm sorry I'm going on about it. It's a bit boring, to be honest. What's Taffy doing? What's she doing? What's she doing? There she is. You alright? Mm-hmm. Loving it? Yeah. What do you make of the camera?
Yeah. What about,
no car's coming.
Oh,
there's a car coming.
Alright, we're going. Okay, bye.
Oh, I don't know what she's saying now. She's talking and I can't hear her. What is she saying? I forget now. She now has a camera. And editing this is going to be an absolute nightmare. I want to post up and say, look guys, Taffy's got a camera, but I don't want to get you all excited about it, because it puts pressure on me to make me want to edit the vlog sooner. Here she is again. What's she saying? Alright, where's my neutral gone? There it is.
Mine is still better.
What are you saying about me?
What? Nothing.
What are you saying?
Nothing.
You're not saying anything about me, are you?
No.
You're not saying naughty things about Grizz?
Not really, no.
No.
Because they all know everything about you anyway.
They do?
No.
Damn it. I don't think they know everything.
No, not everything. Still time for everything. Yeah, there's still time for everything.
I don't like this.
Oh,
I don't like all
going?
this.
You're not jumping the queue, you're being Mr. Nice.
What? Oh, what we need now is intercoms, so we can actually have a conversation and make it kind of a bit interesting for you guys. That is something I'm not really able to do at the moment. That's it. Got my mode again. It's just too much money, guys. Really, I need to fix my other GoPro. I've got another GoPro 4 which broke, and I need to get that one fixed so I can stick it on the front of Taffy's bike. So then, yeah, it's a bit nicer then, and also I can cut more from camera to camera and make more of a fun vlog from it. So yeah, it's a bit restricted at the moment. On an ideal world, we would also have intercoms and Taffy and I could have a conversation that might make some sense to you guys, because at the moment I can't hear Taffy, and I don't know how well Taffy can hear me when we stop at the lights and try to talk to each other. So it's all a bit weird. So forgive me if this vlog is a bit weird, and I'm sorry that after Grizz telling you that I want to be more committed and bring you more vlogs, I think I've had one of the longer gaps on the channel in between a vlog. So I apologise for that, guys. To be honest, I went to the hospital in the week, and on the same day I also got my results. I got home and I had the results from the camera work, the biopsies and stuff, and I just felt very flat and tired and exhausted by it all. My bike got absolutely filthy, so I had to ride it home from work in the rain, and yeah, it's not really a good look. No, it stayed in the garage for a week dirty. So yeah, I feel bad, but I've just not had the energy for getting out and doing a vlog. Hello, mate. I keep seeing bikers with no gloves on. Guys, please put some gloves on. I was absolutely boiling before I left, and I didn't want to ride actually today because I was just not feeling very good this morning. I washed the bike before coming out, but I was in balls of sweat before I left, and yeah, I just chucked on all my kit, regardless of being hot or not. But please, guys, please wear your kit. Hold on a sec. Alright, we're fueled up. So we're off down to Fowlers actually. We were going to just go for a very short ride, but then I said to Taffy, I said, sod it, probably not going to ride for till next weekend or something. Let's just go out. So we're going to go over to Fowlers and going to try some helmets on, because both of our helmets are severely knackered, so we might end up on a couple of helmets. Yeah, we've had our helmets for like how long? Jeez, it's been since the channel even started. So what, 2015? So 4 years. These helmets are getting a bit tired. Whereas Taffy needs new helmets. Just go over and see what we can see. Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Oh, tunnel of love. Tunnel is coming. Rift bomb tunnel. Oh my jeez, not added to that.
Never miss a red bomb opportunity, ever. Crazy woman.
Is that enough room for you? Is that enough room? Is that alright? Good.
I'm rubbish.
You're rubbish?
Yeah.
You stalled it again?
Twice, yeah.
Right, we made it to Fowlers. Let's go in. Maybe have a brew or something.
Get some coffee.
A cold one.
Cold one?
Not a beer though.
No.
And look at some helmets.
Not today.
Maybe we'll see a helmet.
Maybe we'll see a helmet, you never know.
Alright?
Yeah.
Let's go in.
Let's go in.
Let's go.
Cool. Let's go. High five.
Right, that was a lovely little visit actually. Lovely bit of time out. Just what the doctor ordered. A nice visit to Fowler's. But anyway, we bought a couple of new helmets. Taffy bought an AGV, and I bought mega treat. I bought myself an Arroy. Bought myself a really nice Arroy Union Jack. I'll stick up a picture. Here's my picture of Taffy, sweet little Taffy holding it. But this vlog, I'm going to try and bring it to an end soon. Taffy has been merrily chatting away apparently, so I really don't know what she said. It's probably going to turn this vlog, if I try and include both of our conversations, or both of our kind of footage into one vlog, it's probably going to be really long. But yeah, I'm going to have to turn this probably into 2 separate vlogs depending on what Taffy has said and done. Hopefully she has made something that you guys enjoy. Taffy is Taffy. She's wonderful, she's lovely, and I love her to bits. So we'll see what Taffy's brought, depending on if it's good enough or not good enough, depending if it's long enough and makes sense. It'll probably be 2 vlogs. I can imagine it will be, to be honest, rather than just the one. Anyway, Grizz is talking rubbish. He's talking a lot of rubbish. I'm going to pull over Taffy's bike and give it a check over. Let's have a look at Taffy's bike. See what's going on. You've got no headlights. Got no lights. Oh shit. Just this one's usually always on. It's not on. Or if you put it on high beam, you've got that one on. That's normal beam. That's high beam. And then that one just comes on. But as it is, this one's not working. So there's probably a bulb gone, I guess. So we'll replace your bulb at some point.
Bummer.
Just want to check it.
Bummer. Yeah, it was working fine the other day.
Yeah, the rest is working right. It's just that bulb's gone.
Yeah, it was working fine the other day.
Yeah, it was fine on our way out.
Oh,
okay.
You saw it on the way out even?
It was alright on the way out.
So just
as we've left now.
Right. Ooh.
So
Okay.
I'll replace your bulb. No biggie, no problem. Alright?
Cool.
Bike's okay otherwise?
Huh?
The bike is normal otherwise?
Yeah.
Cool.
Seems alright.
Okay.
I didn't break it yet.
No, cool.
Not yet. Not yet. Give it time.
It's just a light bulb. Alright people. See you later. Bye-bye. Oh, also, helmets are on order. Should arrive in about a week. The one they had some damage on it. They were going to do it reduced, but I said no. I'll have a brand spankers because it wasn't exactly cheap. So yeah, got to wait for that to come. Anyway, speak to you soon. Bye.